Welcome to day 29 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi. Today's session is called A Moment of Reflection. So as we near the end of our 30-day journey, today's session is dedicated to reflecting on the progress, the insights, and transformations experienced throughout this Tai Chi series. Reflection is a crucial part of growth, allowing us to acknowledge our journey and set intentions for the future. As you move through each form today, take the opportunity to reflect on your experiences. So how has your body felt? What thoughts have surfaced? And what emotions have been stirred? Without further ado, find a place where you can do some mindful movement. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Taking a moment to feel the sensations, reflecting on your experience. Noticing the sensations, the thoughts, and emotions that arise. Just taking a few more breaths and coming into the present moment. Letting go of all considerations. Coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. Let it out with a big sigh. Letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy. Bring it in towards the heart and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down, sinking the chi, the life force energy, the source of our power and strength. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the door. Taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, opening the door. This time the arms float out to the sides, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. This time you can do a side bend if you like. Easing in, never forcing it. Once more, connecting sky and earth. This time the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, dragon spreads its wings. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. This time the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, sending waves out in all directions. Your hands are gliding on water. One more time. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across the eye level, the heart, lower abdomen, floating back up, drift across, up high, medium, down low. One more time, swimming dragon. Drifting across, breathing. And then circle in front. This time the palms face each other right in front of the heart. The hands drop down and they brush out to the sides, floating up to shoulder height. And they reverse direction, breathing in, breathing out, cleansing the lungs. Clearing out old stuck energy that's no longer serving you, making room for the new. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, cleansing the lungs. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up as we gather the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. So softening down, the hands brush out to the sides. Coming back up the center, gathering more seeds, and then planting them into the earth. Taking your time, taking as many breaths as you need. And just coming down as much as you can comfortably, just letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. One more time, planting seeds. And then circle the hands all the way around and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide. The hands float down by the sides as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. The arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird, the crane. This time you can lift your leg if you want, touching down as needed, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float up and over, just as much as you can, and then stepping down, other side, the crane. Just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time lifting your leg if you like. Just meeting yourself where you're at. The arms can float up and over. Stepping down, stepping in. This time you can lift your leg right up in front, touching down as needed, or you can hold it up as the arms go up and down. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms can float up and over. Stepping down. One more round on this side, the crane. Lifting right up in front if you want, and holding it there as the arms go up and down. Or you can touch down, letting go of judgment. Just bringing curiosity instead. Arms float up and over, stepping down. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, spin the hands so that one hand's on top, the bottom hand drops down. Toss away. The hand folds in and then pushes forward. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in, moving forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind. You can even lean into it if you want. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, repulsing the monkey. This time, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. This hand here pushes down. The other hand waves into the heart as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee. Top hand pushes to the corner. Top hand circles down. Bottom hand circles up. Weaving it all together. Brush, knee, and push. Circle it around, just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Just keep on moving. One more time, brush, knee, and push. And then the bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Like you're moving through the water, spiraling the energy, circling it around. All right, one more time. Mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, other hand circles on top as you step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften, rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, the top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up, coming back to the beginning, brush knee, and push. As always, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, we're doing okay. All right, one more time, brush knee and push. This time, bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Still breathing, letting go of tension, moving with grace. One more time, Mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle around, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, both arms drift over to the side, floating down, drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the toes right out in front. Bring them back in. Other side, tap the toes. This time, tap the toes. The opposite hand dips down into the C, hinging from the hips, keeping the spine nice and long. You don't have to go very low. Stepping back in. Other side, the needle at the C bottom. Tapping the toes, the hand, opposite hand comes down. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, the needle at the C bottom. And then step in and hug the tree. The arms open wide. The hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the side. The fountain. Breathing in. Breathing out. Moving like water. Soft and powerful. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and they float across like clouds in the sky. The hands switch again, wave hands like clouds. Drifting across, breathing. All right, one more time, drift across. And then this time, both arms float down. They drift up to shoulder height. Other side. This time, the palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. One more time, drift across. Nice gentle brush strokes with the hands. This time the arms float up and over like a big wave that Chen circles. Circling all the way up and over. Just as much as you can comfortably. One more time. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up to shoulder height, palms face away, the hands drift across. Painting on the canvas, floating down, then up to shoulder height. Nice gentle brush strokes. One more time. Painting on the canvas. This time the arms float up and over like a big wave that Chen circles. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind, creating focus and clarity. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Circle the hands in front. Gather in the energy, bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart. Press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. And close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway like bamboo in the wind. Nice and gentle, soft, gentle movements. Just letting the energy move you. You don't have to do a thing. Just feeling into the body. Feel into the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for this Tai Chi flow. Stick around for a few more moments for your poem of the day. Today's poem is called The Quiet Echo. A moment to pause, to look within, to trace the journey where we've been. Through Tai Chi's grace, we find the key. Reflection brings clarity. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please click the link here to watch your strength training video of the day associated with today's class, and I'll see you over there.